Okay, listen. Child support, I believe, came around when I was 12 or 13. Or maybe 11, I think. 10 years of child support. 1.2 over, what was it? It was like $1 million, I think. What he claims is $1 million, right? It's $6,700 a month.
Okay. And I can't buy socks?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Listen to what I'm saying to you.
Right.
$6,700 a month, right? $6,700 a month in the state of New York City. You do the math.
Oh, I done the math. I've been in child support, brother. I went to jail for it. So I said, so hold on.
Okay, cool. $6,700 a month, right?
$6,700 a month, right? You telling me a woman can't survive off $6,700 a month and not be working?
That's hold on, wait. Time out. Hold on, listen. Don't compare.
I'm from New York.
This is the biggest mistake everybody make. You're comparing it to yourself. You're comparing it to yourself. You're comparing it to your life. Don't do that.
$6,700.
Don't do that. You're talking about a Forbes lister. Hold on, wait. Listen. You're talking about somebody that has problems with everybody. You can't just live in any neighborhood. $81K is not a substantial lot of money.
Hold on.
You're talking about you got beef with everybody in the industry. You can't just live anywhere.
And if he's contributing $6,700, that means your mom's got the other half. It ain't just for him to just take care of you. She got to take care of you too. She got to work too. He giving up $6,700. Where's her $6,700 to go with his? Now y'all got $1,200, $1,300, $13,000 a month. Oh my! See, hold on. Yo, choke. This is where you get it. This is where it goes down a bad path, brother. This is what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Yo, bro, $6,700. If I told you right now, right, you got to start your life over right now with $6,700 a month and rebuild your life. Yes.
Can you do it?
What's up, y'all? So appreciate y'all for tapping into my channel. The clip I want to show y'all that was 50 Cent, and he snapped on his baby mother Daphne Joy and also his own son, and he did this on Father's Day, and he's been doing this for the past couple of, I would say, 4 or 5 years. He's been calling out people every time there's Father's Day. So for example, last year, he said that no one cares about fathers, no one cares to buy gifts and things like that. And this year, he basically said that he was going in on Daphne Joy, and also saying that his son Marquise, he said that he was scamming people and applying for PPP loans. So let me know what you think about this. Make sure to like this and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.